Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. If you are not new, thank you for coming back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to prepare and how to clean gizzards. Make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end. I will be using 6 bags of gizzards. You can use less. You will need cooking oil, your seasoning. I have the chicken seasoning here, 5 tomatoes, but if you have the Roma tomatoes, you can use 6. We have bay leaves. We are going to use 4 garlics and half onions, and we also have the bell peppers. It is so easy to clean your gizzards, guys. All you have to do is to take out the dirt, as I'm doing. Use your knife and take it out. Please let me know in the comment section if this is your first time preparing gizzards. It was easy, right? Very easy to clean, guys. All you're going to do right now is just to use your knife and scrape it to take out the extra dirt. Do not worry about scraping or staying on one gizzard for 5 hours. Scrape what you can take out. Do not be discouraged because you see a lot of dirt on your gizzard. It's so easy to take it out. Using this video, you enjoy cleaning your gizzard. You can also divide your gizzard. Look how clean it is without even being rinsed. We are going to rinse it now with warm water or cold water. It doesn't matter, honestly. Look at how beautiful it is. We are going to use the lemon to help us clean the gizzard. With what our knife did not clean, the lemon is going to help us take it away. Our gizzards are all clean and ready to be cooked. Try to take out excess water from your gizzards when putting in the pot. Season to taste, guys. If you are an onion lover, you can put more than this, please. We are going to be blending our onion, tomatoes, and garlic. Remember, we did not put any water, right? This is just the water from the gizzards. Our blended tomatoes, onions, and garlic are all ready, and our sliced bell peppers. This is how you test to know if the gizzards are already soft. If you don't find it difficult when using your fork, then it's ready. Just make sure it is soft. Wait for the oil to be a little bit hot and then you put your blended ingredients. Make sure you stir very well and cover your pot. This is how we want our tomatoes to be. The oil should be above the tomatoes. You can eat these gizzards with boiled plantains, fried plantains, rice, bread, anything of your choice, cassava, anything. Bell peppers give a glow to your food. Look at it, guys. Can you see? Can you see the difference? So good. We are going to add just a little bit of cooking oil. Try this recipe or let me know in the comment section.